Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and I am here to plan the week of the 28th of October to the 4th of November using this spells kit by Plannerface. The artwork is by Kidnish Girl Jess and it's just beautiful for this week of Halloween. So yeah, they're the full boxes and I've just popped some date cove dots on already. I know they're orange, but when else are you going to use pumpkins, hey? This is the kit, all ready to go. Glitter headers of course, and then the stickers that I think I'm going to use. The only thing to prep for I haven't already done is cut down my boxes, my ombre heart check boxes, so you'll probably see me do that in a sec. Got my usual bits and bobs and this burnt lavender washi from the August Simply Golden sub-box. So yeah, let's speed her up and get started.
Okay, so I'm just flicking through the kit here first. Whilst I cut down these ombre heart check boxes into twos, I'm just going to apologise if you can hear any fireworks. It is Saturday night when I'm recording this voiceover, or Saturday evening just before my night shift, and so people are putting out fireworks because, you know, it's the weekend before bonfire night. But yeah. So anyway, as usual, just gonna start with the bottom washi. I have already whited, Tippexed, whatever you want to call it, everything out just to speed up the video really, and I'm just cutting down the bottom washi to fit. I love this kit with the rose gold. I think it looks stunning. I don't know necessarily that rose gold is the most logical choice for the kit. Maybe it is, I don't know. I don't know how other people decide what foil to use. I just kind of go with the washi that matches. But anyway, yeah. So now we've got the bottom washi done, we're just going to move on to the date covers. And we are just using the ones from the kit along with some date dots from Happy Scrappy. And then we're popping the glitter headers down. I am still loving the sort of thing I've been doing with the glitter headers at the top of each box, even though I don't sort of use the boxes for anything specific. So I'm carrying on with that, and it actually means I use all my glitter headers, or nearly all my glitter headers. I also realised that, you know, I was like panicking because I thought I'd lost some of my glitter headers the other day. I haven't. You just use one extra of one colour. I hadn't worked that out yet. I am about to go off screen a little bit, and I do apologise. Because that top box is always a little bit smaller, I popped down the full box on Friday because... So, full boxes this week. I do Friday, Saturday, Sunday because I am on night shifts. As I said, I am recording this voiceover just before I go to a night shift on Saturday night because I don't know when else I get a chance, and I woke up early for some reason. Well, no, not for some reason, because I'm cat sitting and my cats were yowling because we're not let them out today. In fact, that full box on Saturday becomes really appropriate. But yeah, they were yowling because they were unimpressed I was not letting them out. But I've really struggled to get them in last night before I went to work because I tried to get them in at about 6:30, 7, because I have to leave for work at 7:15. And they just did not want to come in, and I didn't want them out and not being able to get them in on the night I knew there would be lots of fireworks. So yeah. I've popped all the full boxes in over the weekend, and the quote box for the sidebar. And I'm just finishing off the glitter headers, and we will move on to the sidebar, I believe. Who knows? I never know what I'm doing. So yeah, that's what we're looking at so far. Oh, I'm just deciding I want another full box on Tuesday. I can't remember why. I normally only put full boxes on when I know I don't have very many plans, but I don't know why I went Tuesday, but I went Tuesday because there's no Guides and Rangers on this week, as in the week that you're watching me plan for, because it's half term here in the UK, which is just a week they got off in the middle of the term. So on the sidebar we're doing my usual this week header and a full heart checklist for a to-do list for the week, and Tippexing out underneath using that Tippex that I bought in France. And we're going to pop the habit trackers for Instagram and no spend, which I started doing better at the beginning of the week, but now on night shifts I'm doing awfully at posting on Instagram, but pretty good at not spending money. I say that, like, actually Friday I did spend money because the Wanton, no, Simply Gilded and Once More With Love collab came out, so I had to buy that. Then at the bottom I have this awkward amount of space, so I decided just to put my build dues on there rather than on the first itself. And then just finish it off with another glitter header because a 10mm stripper washi would not fit. And that's the sidebar. Along the bottom of every day I'm just popping this strip of 10mm washi, and that is just to mark it is Wild 30 again this week, and this week is the lettering week with Cindy Gunter Boldo of Llama Letters, who I adore and I'm a patron of. If you haven't watched her videos, go check her out. I love her. So yeah, that's that. Just cutting bits off to make it just right. Also, I just want to give you guys a shout out for the love of my last video. I never thought people would want to watch sort of longer chatty plan with me's, but I got a really good reception in it, so I'm going to try and do some more of those. Not every week because it takes quite a lot longer and I find it quite a lot harder, but yeah, I want to, if you guys enjoy them, I want to do them. Let me know if you're watching this and you're listening to this bit. Let me know what you prefer. Because personally, I don't particularly like really long plan with me's. I like most plan with me's I watch on 2x speed because I do. But yeah. I just don't have the patience. Anyway, we're popping in Monday's plans, and this week is so busy at the beginning of it already. There's only actually sort of 2 gaps that you won't see me stick stickers down for because I had so much on. So yeah, I'm just popping in my Monday plans. It was the end of the month, so I obviously needed to plan my bullet journal setup, which for goodness sakes took forever. It's not even finished uploading to YouTube yet, and it is already like 24 hours late. But oh well, these things happen. My computer has completely frozen, so I'm just gonna you're not gonna notice anything. I'm just gonna pause the video a sec and come back to you in 1 second. Sorry about that. We're now on to Wednesday plans. On Wednesday I put down that strip of washi to mark Halloween on, but I cannot find my rose gold foiled holidays for the life of me. They still haven't turned up and I just don't know what I've done with them. I might have to buy another set, but they're from Ginger Cat Co, and I don't have any plans to buy from Ginger Cat Co right now. My aim for November is not to buy anything until Black Friday sales, except if it's Simply Gilded washi, because you know I can't miss out on Simply Gilded washi if I want it. I have no self-control. What are you gonna do? I apologise if this voiceover sounds a bit stoppy and starty. My computer's not really playing ball, and I don't know why. The video is sort of, because I filmed the voiceover watching the video, but it's just not really playing ball and it's not really showing the video. It probably is because it's been on for like 36 hours trying to upload the YouTube video. So it's still trying to upload it, so it's trying to do like 3 things at once, and it can't really deal with that. I don't know why, because it's like a really good, powerful computer. It's just not playing ball, and I don't know why. Either way, all I'm doing is popping in my plans for the week. Doing my mix of white space with just an icon and in some boxes, because that is my planning style, and that is how I love to plan at the moment. And yeah, I really love how my spreads are coming out at the moment. I think this is my planner piece in my Erin Condren. It really is. So Thursday night before night shifts, I have to try and stay up as late as possible. I didn't do very well this week, but I was so tired I still slept until I needed to on Friday morning. Well, Friday afternoon. Like you can always do with sleeping for longer, but yeah, I actually slept for ages and it was so needed, which I think is why I'm actually awake now, because I woke up before my alarm today, which never happens, but I think I'd finally had enough sleep when I'd overslept between Thursday and Friday, so I kind of worked. Who knew just getting completely exhausted is the way to switch between day and night being awake time. Hopefully Monday going back will not be too bad. Anyway, For the weekend, I completely forgot to do my washi weekend banner, which was a bit annoying, but yeah. I'm just putting in sleeping, doing some letter, having Brinner, which by Brinner for this, I actually mean I eat dinner food at like when I've just woken up. So it's like dinner for breakfast rather than breakfast for dinner, which I know is what some people call Brinner. But yeah. Oh, sorry, I've gone off. Oh, there we go. Move back into frame. As usual, using my shift stickers from Handcrafted by Cherie. I do love her foil. And these stethoscopes are a custom that you probably haven't seen before from oh my god, her name's Jade. What's Jade's shop called? Diamond Print Designs, I think. Yeah. So yeah, and finally on to Sunday. Again, usual bits and pieces: sleeping, planning, lettering, night shift, and that's about it. And yeah, we're gonna go through shortly and write everything in and just get everything filled out. So yeah, after I've got these last couple of stickers down, I will get everything filled out. Whilst I'm writing in, I just thought I'd let you know that I'm doing a little bit better. I went out and spent some time with some friends at the weekend, on Thursday night, and it was just exactly what I needed. And then with the bunch of sleep, I think things are looking up a little bit, and I think I was just really burnt out and I needed a break. So that's good, and my break and annual leave starts after these 3 night shifts. So yeah, things are looking up. Because I was just a bit worried that I was gonna slip back into getting really unwell. But I think we might be okay. We'll see. I don't know about other people, but once I've had a couple of episodes of depression, I like panic whenever I don't feel great for a few days in a row. I panic that I'm getting ill again and it's all going to be awful, because I really, really don't want to deal with how I felt when I was really unwell. So I start to worry, and then I get anxious about the fact that I might be getting ill again, which is kind of counterintuitive because it's probably making things worse. But yeah, anyway, I just thought I'd let you know that I'm doing good. I'm really doing good, I think. I'm such I never trust how I think I feel, and I know that's ridiculous, but I worry, and I'm just like, do I actually feel this way, or am I just trying to trick myself to believe everything is going to be okay, or am I just trying to trick myself into thinking everything's not going to be okay? So yeah. Anyhow, I am getting there with writing everything in. Just as usual with my mix of brush lettering and handwriting using Pigma Micron and Tombow dual tip food brush pen, which is different from the Tombow dual brush pens that everyone talks about, and is probably one of my favourite pens for brush lettering. So yeah, that is everything all filled out, and we will just have a little tidy up and pop in a little strip to say that I'm cat sitting this weekend. My family are away, and yeah, I'm cat sitting, which is why the cats were being so insane today. Once we've got that sticker down, I will give you a bit of a viv wiggle, and I will hand you back to future me with the finished spread. Not that this spread isn't already super full, but yeah. See you in a sec. Okay, so here we have the spread all filled out. Just gonna do another viv wiggle. I love it. Yeah. As I said earlier in the video, I don't think rose gold is necessarily the conventional foil colour for this, but I really like it. And these are basically my favourite colours, purple and teal. That's why my freebie is purple and teal. I still cannot find my Happy Halloween strip. But yeah, it's been quite a long week, but it's Monday morning. I got through my night shifts. I've not had a nap, so I'm a bit all over the place. But yeah, let's give her a zoom in and show you where everything is from. A bit more up close. So if I don't point it out, it's from the kit. The October 2018 and the work labels are all from Handcrafted by Cherie. The pumpkins on the date covers are from Happy Scrappy. This is from Philo Fabulous, from Once More With Love. This fox is from Fox and Cactus. This fox, Foxy Fox, is from Choco and Mimi. This icon here is from Harriet Wright Designs. This is from Notes and Clips. This is from Kay Elizabeth Plans. This is from Fox and Cactus. This is from Choco and Mimi. This is from JD's Crafts. This is from Kay Elizabeth Plans. This is from Choco and Mimi. Ginger Cat Co., Harriet Wright Designs, JD's Crafts, Kay Elizabeth Plans, Handcrafted by Cherie, Diamond Print Designs, Fox and Cactus, Handcrafted by Cherie. Oh. Then on the other side, date covers and stuff are the same, work labels the same. These two are both 3, 4, 5, 6 are all from Fox and Cactus. This is from Little Thought Store. It's from Once More With Love. These bows are from Sadie's Stickers. These are from Once More With Love. The stars again are from Diamond Print Designs. So this is from Strawberry Lime Designs. These are from Diamond Print Designs. Notes and Clips, JD's Crafts, Harriet Wright Designs. Yeah, and Notes and Clips again. So that is everything. Yeah, zoomed out the right way first time. I love it. I really am pleased with this. Quite a nice week at work and things. Yeah. Busy week. Lots of editing and filming. My videos are all late. This one's probably going to be late. Busy night shifts, but yeah, I've got some annual leave now and I'm hopefully going to get a bit more caught up with things and feel a bit better about being on time with everything. So yeah, you know the drill. Comment, like, subscribe if you enjoyed it. Let me know down below what format you prefer these videos in. I think I'm going to try and do a mix of chatty and sped ups. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!